Hi everyone, I am just giving you a really quick video because I know some people in class did not get a chance to download the digital audio workstation we are going to use. It is called REAPER, and we've been through this already, but I just said I'd remind you and put a little video on how to get it onto your laptop. REAPER is free. It's really important that you learn more than one DAW. I know you're learning Logic in college, but this way you'll be able to do things outside of college, particularly because of COVID-19 restrictions. It's free. I will be helping you how to use it, so don't worry. So first of all, we go to the REAPER download page. I have it up there, but I'll go here. So it is reaper.fm. And as you can see, there is the download section. So it's download and evaluate for free. So you're probably wondering, you told us it was completely free. Well, it's not completely free. You can pay for a license, which is very, very cheap, but they let you evaluate it for as long as you want. So click download REAPER, get this page. If you have a Windows computer, download over here. If you have a Mac like I do, download over here. Now I'm not going to do the full download because I already have REAPER, but I will show you how it gets onto your computer. So it's in the bottom left there, but it should appear in your downloads. Apologies to any students who have a Windows computer. I do not, but I am sure it is very similar that you go to your downloads folder and you should see REAPER up here. To agree to the user license, end user license. So hit agree. Have a read if you feel that's important. I have not read all of REAPER's terms and conditions, but they seem to be quite fair company. So what you do is you drag and drop into applications. I'm not going to do that because I already have REAPER, but I think if you launch it like this, it's just launching the program for me because I already have it, but it will give you a step-by-step on how to install it. So that's how you get REAPER onto your laptop. I highly recommend you do. And for the next video, I'm going to put up a video of just how to get set up in REAPER. So I know we've learned a lot in class. I'm just going to stop that from bouncing around there. I know we learned a lot about REAPER in class and you should be fine. But I want to give you a little demo on how to get set up just in case you get a little bit frustrated. Happens to me all the time, particularly when it's with a new digital audio workstation, but you'll be fine. I'll have the step-by-step of how to set up. And now REAPER is very fine for me here. No need for that, I have it. So stay tuned for the next video and I will go through that.